The LED light bulb with memory chip and aluminum antenna are being installed everywhere in Hanoi to remote control Hanoi residents to attack each other and to write a daily VTV script for the VTV's television station. The 4G tower can only remote control you when you have a smartphone on right next to your head with a SIM card and above ground. However, with this LED light bulb, even if you turn all your phone off, your Wi-Fi routers, the neighbor Wi-Fi router, or the 4G tower can still ID and remote control you, like a human droid. This LED light bulb works like an encoder to encode millions of nanometer SIM cards inside water bottle and food that you bought at the supermarket or on the street. If they can ID you at the supermarket or front store with your banking accounts, then they can encode the million nanometer SIM cards inside your food and drink more accurately and do more harm to you, your friends, and your family. The only way to reduce the damage from these nanometer SIM cards are buying food and drink far away from your place of work or residence, paying with cash to avoid being ID'd by the Wi-Fi routers or nearby 4G towers, and avoid being facial recognition ID by the IP camera or smartphone.